What if I told you that the same forces that govern the universe could also be the key to making decisions in your business? Hey, mystics, get ready for an adventure because today I'm unveiling something that's going to ignite your business journey. The Element Energy Oracle deck. This deck isn't just your typical oracle. It's a burst of elemental magic to empower your business ventures. Whether you're summoning the courage to launch new projects, sparking innovation with current products, or strengthening client relationships, stick with me. Because I'm excited to show you how tapping into Aether, air, fire, water, and earth can spark your intuition and turbocharge your business strategy. Back in 2019, I dove headfirst into the world of tarot and oracle decks. And let me tell you, there are some stunning decks out there. But as I soaked in their beauty and personal growth insights, I couldn't help but feel there was something missing, especially for us business-savvy mystics. From Native American wisdom's 4 elemental directions, the Chinese tradition's 5 element energies, and the Celtic vibes of Aether, air, fire, water, and earth, I was hooked. These ancient principles aren't just rituals, they're powerful tools for modern business magic. My personal lineage is a smattering of Scottish, Irish, French, Dutch, English, definitely a Heinz variety kind of girl. So it made sense to adopt the Celtic lineage to begin my spiritual journey. As I wove these elemental energies into my daily rituals and business practices, magic unfolded. Each element brought its own unique power. Purpose and alignment from Aether. Strategy and communications from air. Creativity and courage from fire. Client bonds from water, and solid resources from earth. And let's be real, neglecting any of these elements is not an option. It's like trying to direct a symphony without the director. Total chaos. That's why I created the Element Energy Oracle deck. Not just for me, but for you too. Crafted with love and co-created with my spirit team, each card is a gateway to unlocking your inner wisdom and harnessing the cosmic energies that swirl around us. While other decks offer spiritual clarity, mine takes it to the next level. It's your ultimate business companion, part strategist, part sage, guiding you to blend spiritual insight with practical business brilliance. So grab your adventurous spirit, buckle up, and let's elevate your business journey with a dash of elemental magic. So what's in the box? When you purchase the Element Energy Oracle deck, you receive 70 cards in total, including 14 business energy cards for each element: Aether, air, fire, water, and earth. A comprehensive PDF guidebook featuring 5 bonus oracle and tarot spreadsheets for expanded insights. And you can access this by finding the QR code on the back of the title card. Your deck is elegantly packaged in a metal tin, accompanied by a gossamer bag for safekeeping. As a special bonus, tucked inside is a gift for an instant mini reading, an intuitively picked business card featuring a single element. This complete package is a flexible tool for intuitive guidance and business strategy. Creating and designing this deck has been empowering for me, quite fulfilling. It has taught me to trust my intuition and creativity. Now, it's your turn to feel empowered as you dive into the messages within each card. As we explore each card in the Oracle deck, we'll dive into how they symbolize different aspects of the elements. Inspired by Greek traditions, the vibrant colors of Aether, air, fire, water, and earth leap from each card. These colors aren't just for show. They're key to visually representing the spectrum of light and shadow within each element. On every card, you'll find 2 words, one for light, one for shadow, capturing the inherent dualities of our journey. The gradual color transition signifies the shift from light to shadow, helping us discern and navigate these energies in our lives and businesses. My cards aren't just about tapping into your intuition, they amplify it through sacred geometry. These symbols act as gateways, connecting you with the cosmic energies to turn your dreams into reality. According to the Greek philosopher Plato, the Platonic solids are considered to be the 5 perfect shapes. They act as a template to the building blocks of life. Now let's break down each shape and what it means. The dodecahedron embodies Aether, representing cosmic energy and connection to higher spiritual realms. Think of it as your cosmic third eye. Its 12 faces correspond to zodiac signs, highlighting alignment and spiritual purpose. The octahedron symbolizes air, bringing clarity, communication, and intellect into focus. Imagine it as your heart's compass. Its 8 triangular faces symbolize balance and harmony, guiding dynamic ideas and strategic thinking. The tetrahedron embodies fire, igniting creativity, passion, and transformative energy. Think of it as your cauldron of confidence. Its 4 triangular faces drive action and manifestation, fueling courage and bold ideas. The icosahedron represents water, flowing with emotions, relationships, and fluidity. So dive into its deep waters. Its 20 triangular faces symbolize adaptability and intuition, guiding emotional connections and healing. Hexahedron, or cube, symbolizes earth, grounding stability, abundance, and material manifestation. It's your foundation. 6 square faces anchor grounding and practicality, fostering prosperity and physical well-being. These shapes aren't just symbols. They're woven magic within your element energy oracle deck, aligning each element with its unique energy and spiritual significance. Watching this deck come to life has been incredibly fulfilling. It's a dream realized knowing these cards can illuminate spiritual paths and offer clarity and understanding. Now let's explore how each element unlocks your business potential. Incorporating the 5 elements into my daily life helps me make clear decisions and feel more courageous. Aether fills me with a profound sense of wonder and connection. Aether is the beginning point that represents potential, alignment, and direction. It's the place where ideas form and helps create a spiritual link. In a business context, Aether embodies space, spirit, and purpose. This element embodies the intangible, your intuition, vision, and alignment with your true calling. Aether is where inspiration arises, connecting you to something greater than yourself and infusing your work with meaning and purpose. Air fills me with a refreshing sense of clarity and freedom. Air is the element that represents the realm of ideas, intellect, logic, and mental clarity. In a business context, air includes all of that through marketing, strategy, planning, and communications. Just like air is invisible but essential, this element governs the flow of ideas, marketing, and messaging, helping you articulate your vision and effectively connecting you with your audience. Air helps ensure that your strategies and systems are aligned, allowing your business to soar. Fire ignites a powerful sense of passion and determination within me. Fire symbolizes courage, creativity, action, passion, and willpower. In a business context, fire symbolizes forging products, projects, and partnerships. Fire embodies the passion, courage, and creative force needed to propel your business forward. This element fuels your drive to take bold action, inspiring innovation and leadership. Fire is about having the courage to step into your purpose, take risks, and manifest your vision into reality. It's the spark of creativity that ignites new projects and the heat of determination that keeps you moving through challenges. Fire calls for you to embrace your inner leader, taking decisive action with confidence. Water envelops me in a soothing sense of calm and introspection. Water is linked to feelings, emotions, intuition, relationships, and empathy. In a business context, water governs the emotional currents in relationships with customers, clients, and even yourself. It represents the flow of intuition, empathy, and connection that you cultivate with your customers, partners, and community. Water is the element of trust, reflecting how you nurture relationships and maintain harmony. Earth fills me with a deep sense of stability and connection. Earth symbolizes practicality, material aspects, stability, physical well-being, and manifestation. In a business context, it symbolizes all of that, plus resources, revenue, and tools. It's about the tangible, practical aspects like finances, organization, physical assets, and a system that keeps everything running smoothly. Earth energy gives your business roots, offering the foundation for long-term sustainability. It ensures that your goals are grounded in reality, with careful planning and management of resources. Just as the earth provides stability and nourishment, this element calls for consistency, patience, and a focus on the solid frameworks that support your business growth. Together, these 5 elements blend practical business strategies with spiritual insights, providing grounded approach to growing our business. Each element in the deck contains 14 cards, including a title card that can be used independently or in conjunction with your readings. Let's embark on a journey through the realm of Aether. The first card symbolizes space, spirit, and purpose. Let's journey into the essence of Aether's 13 cards.
Faith, gratitude, higher guidance, hope, love, manifest, oneness, purpose, space, soul, transcendence, trust, vision.
Let's now soar into the realm of air. The first card symbolizes marketing, strategy, planning, and communications. Let's breeze through air's 13 cards.
Achieve, communicate, clarity, decision, influence, imagination, inspire, marketing, network, perspective, responsible, strategy, and wisdom.
Let's grab a torch and explore fire. The first card symbolizes forging products, projects, and services. Let's blaze through fire's 13 cards.
Creativity, courage, energy, express, focus, forge, innovate, motivate, passion, persevere, strength, transform, vitality.
Diving into the fluid realm of water. The first card symbolizes relationships, partners, clients, and yourself. Let's dive into water's 13 cards.
Adapt, customers, compassion, cleanse, emotions, empathy, harmony, intuition, interconnect, partner, reflection, renew, and self.
And lastly, let's plant ourselves in the earthly realm. The first card symbolizes revenue, resources, and tools. Now let's dig into Earth's 13 cards.
Abundance, grounded, invest, prosperity, resilience, resources, revenue, sustainable, structure, secure, stability, tangible, and tools.
As you can see, for those of you who are transitioning from the work world to the woo world, or who simply want to quickly tap into your intuition to make clear decisions, these cards are grounded in practical aspects. There are countless ways to harness the power of these cards for decision making. For instance, pull a card each day to tune into the energy guiding your path. Do you need specific insights? Try a 3-card spread. For example, if you're boosting a product line, ask, what's happening with my product line right now? Where can I enhance my product line? And who can support me in this endeavor? You can also evaluate your projects with a SWOT reading. Identify your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats for any service or product. You can also combine the Energy Oracle with tarot readings for deeper integrated insights. Did you know you can align the zodiac energies each month during the new and full moons? For example, tap into the practical structure of Taurus during its new moon phase this month. So be sure to watch for visual prompts in the community tab. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications on new content, especially business insights for every new and full moon. Your creativity knows no bounds when you partner with these cards as your business coach. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey with the Element Energy Oracle deck. Unlike other decks, my deck dives deep into the elemental forces shaping your path. It's a roadmap crafted to empower you in every facet of life, from igniting creativity and courage to attracting abundance and alignment. So if you're ready to harness the magic of elemental energies in your business and life, hop on over to co-createyourmagic.com and grab your deck today. Dive into the interactive insights with the full deck online so that you can start co-creating your magic even before your physical deck arrives. And until next time, stay magical.